Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show how to predict apple or orange with the help of given data by using machine learning. So in this example we are going to use supervised learning algorithm which utilize a known data set to predict its future value. Actually, so here is the flow of supervised learning. The first thing is gathering training data, and second thing is train the classifier, and third one is make prediction. So first step, gathering the data. So you can see the data here. The training data are example of apple and orange that was classified according to the difference. Here is the table that use the future of two fruits to differentiate them. As you can see, the above the fruits are differentiated according to their weight and texture. The last column in every row is what is called label. Okay, so in ML our last column is always label. In our case the label can be either orange or an apple. Okay, so you can see the data here. So this is weight and this is texture. So this is the weight for apple, not weight for apple, it is weight for orange. This is also weight for orange, and this is the weight of apple, and this is texture for apple. So 0 means bumpy and 1 means smooth. Okay, then here I am given label, so you can see the label here. So orange means 1 and apple means 0. Okay, so according to this it will predict the output. So if the data is given to the classifier, if the apple data is given, it will return as 0, and if you given the data of orange, it will return as 1 output. Okay, so next, training. We are going to use decision tree, which can use decision rule for deduce from the data feature to learn to make appropriate prediction. So you can see the line, we are using decision tree classifier. The machine learning algorithm identify the pattern in the training data and make the suitable conclusion. Example, it may recognize the apple tend to smoother in the texture. You can see here. So if the fruit is smooth means it will be apple. So therefore it will develop a rule that tends to identify any smooth fruit will be apple. Okay, and also you can see the flow chart here. So first it will check the weight. If the weight is greater than 150 gram, next it will check the texture. So if the texture is bumpy means it will return it as orange, and if it is smooth means it will return apple as output. Okay, so this is how it works. In scikit-learn, the training algorithm is referred as fit. So fit means find the pattern in the data, so it will automatically find the pattern in the given data. Okay, so then last step, it's making prediction. So we will use predict function to make prediction. So we are using predict, right? So here I gave weight as 120 and texture as smooth. So it will print output as apple. Okay, after learning. So, and before running the program we need to install this library sklearn. So this library is used to train the machine learning data. So first go to command prompt, use this command pip install sklearn, then press enter. So it says like requirement already satisfied, which means I already installed that, that's why. So now I am going to run this program. You can see the output as 0. So 0 means it will be apple. So 0 means apple. Now I am going to change this data. Now I am going to give weight as 150 and the texture as bumpy. Okay, so actual output will be orange. So how the machine, we will check how the machine is predicting. So here the prediction rate will be 100%. See, it prints it's orange. Okay, that's all about this. It is a very simple algorithm to find what difference between the apple and orange. If you like this video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.